Hey, beautiful people, what's going on? It's Tim Lee here in Legacy Studio, and I would have another Draw Too Much sketch lesson for you guys, but truth be told, I've been working on something very hard that's going to be taking place here in about 2 days. You guys may remember that I put up a video a while back asking for some crowdfunding to raise money for a ticket to go to the FCM, also known as the Fellowship of Christian Magicians. And believe it or not, there was some anonymous person who donated over $700 so that I could buy a plane ticket and fly to Indianapolis, Indiana, and teach caricature as a presenter at this conference. And you're going, magicians, magic, Christian, it doesn't mix. It's basically a conference for a bunch of people who want to use their talents, whether they're artists, whether they're illusionists slash magicians, and they do magic tricks for kids or adults or whatever, all that sort of stuff. They're trying to find ways to be able to be a witness, have a testimony, and be able to use their skills to do that. And this is a place to learn new skills. It's a place to buy things that you need to do your job better and things like that. And one of the things that they asked me to do is to come out, sell my caricatures, but more importantly, to teach techniques on how to draw caricature. As you guys know, we've been doing this together for quite some time, for many, many years, and it's really, truly amazing that they're literally going to be flying me out. If you live in the Indianapolis, Indiana area, I would absolutely love to meet you. I would love to see what you guys are up to, and I would love to meet someone who's seen my channel before I've met them. Does that make any sense? In my 8 years of being on this outlet here on YouTube, I really haven't met anyone who has seen my work before I've gotten to meet them. It'd be really neat to see you and meet you and find out that you've seen my videos before I've had the honor to meet you. So if you're in the Indianapolis area and you want to come and check out the FCM, or even just to stop by and say hi, I would be honored. I think that'd be very cool. I'd love to shake your hand and just meet real people, because I see people pop up that they've watched videos, but a number is very difficult to put with a person, you know? So anyway, one of the really difficult things I've been working on is this. It's my wonderful price sheet for all the stuff that I'm going to be doing at the FCM. And as you can see, my prices are really dirt cheap. I'm going to be taking, I don't even know how I'm going to pack this, but I'm taking my easel with me. I'm taking all of my art supplies with me. I'm going to be drawing not only with marker and watercolor, but I'm also going to be doing digital caricatures, and I'll even be doing conversions of other ones. And as you can see, I've really bothered Keanu Reeves and used him for an awful lot of the work for my demo for this sheet here. So yeah, this is very exciting for me, and I've been really working hard to get all this put together. And believe it or not, I am very ill prepared. Basically, I can show you each one of these Postit notes that I have stuck here are all things that need to be done before I leave on Friday. Actually on Saturday. And so they need to be all done Friday night, because I leave at like 6 a.m. on Saturday. And there's an awful lot of them. I'm not going to be ready for this. So in saying all of that, guys, I want to thank you so much for your support and your love and your patience with me while I haven't released new videos, because I've been trying to prep to go and teach caricature at the FCM. I will be leaving this Saturday. I'll be back in town the following Saturday, and I'm sure I'm going to be incredibly busy. But usually being incredibly busy also means there's opportunity to maybe record some video and show you guys some of the different projects I'm working on. Lord willing, I'm going to be coming back with a bunch of sales that I need to get completed. We'll see if that's actually the case or not. I'm going out there mainly to teach, and if I make some sales while I'm out there, even better. But guys, here's the important thing. I take this baby with me everywhere I go. I love vlogging. While I am there, I'm going to attempt to vlog some of the teachings that I'm doing. I'm going to attempt to get some kind of video while I'm there. Whether I can get that edited and uploaded while I am there is one major thing. if I don't have any sales, or if I'm editing it after I get back from the FCM. I would love to show you a little bit of the trip, because this is revolving around art and revolving around community, and it's something I would love to share with you guys. So for the next couple of videos, I hope, I'm not going to make any promises, I would like to create a couple of videos revolving around the FCM and what it was like to go and teach. If you enjoy what you see from my training videos that are already on YouTube, or from what you might see with me out being a teacher, if you know of a place where they need teachers and they're willing to fly someone out, I'd be very, very interested. This is truly a once-in-a-lifetime thing for me, and I would hope it's not the last. But we'll just have to see, right? So anyway, I'm going to leave you guys be. I just wanted to say thank you so much for your support and your love and your patience while I have disappeared off of the face of YouTube for a little bit, and hopefully to bring you some videos of some vlog stuff, but I'm learning I'm really terrible at vlogging, so we'll see how this goes. I will try to keep you guys as informed as possible on my Instagram, and you can check that out. The link is in the description below. God bless you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me on my channel here, and another what would be Draw Too Much sketch lesson. I'll see you all next time. Thanks for hanging out. Bye. And I should have just hit the end button, but now I got to go and click on it, which just makes this video really awkward.